skin like you never even left.
Now let's move into one that we've talked about previously here on the channel, and that's aloe vera gel. If you have fresh aloe vera, that's really the one you need to aim for. Fresh aloe vera gel, one of the plant leaves, very affordable at your local grocer. Check this out. Let me tell you about aloe vera gel, what it's going to do for the skin. It's actually one of the best home remedies for skin tightening. Why? Because it contains malic acid, and that is one acid that improves the skin elasticity. This is how you're going to do this. All you'll need is preferably an aloe vera leaf plant. Extract the gel from it, or if you want to use the store-bought, you can. Of course, the leaf works best, but you can use the store-bought gel as well. Once you extract the aloe vera gel from the leaf and apply it on your face and neck, just leave it on about 20 minutes before rinsing. Once you rinse it off, just rinse with lukewarm water. And what you're going to do is do this 3 to 4 times a week. Listen, it just takes time. Everything takes time, and with natural home remedies, it's going to take plenty of time because we're not working with a bunch of chemicals. We are simply using natural ingredients to do that, but you've got to give it time. You've got to be consistent. That's on you. And you let me know how it's working for you. After a few weeks, let me know if you see a difference in things. I bet you will. I'm pretty sure you will. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. I'm signing out for now. Thanks a million for hanging out with me once again. I appreciate you all hanging out with me. I appreciate my dogs for hanging out with me. It's been a ball. So anyway, I hope you got something out of the video, regardless of what's going on in the background. Please definitely let me know if you did, in fact, get some value out of this video today. Simply just drop a like on it. Hit the like button, put me some hearts down in the comments. I love that. And please let me know where you're tuning in from. I definitely would like to know that. So please introduce yourselves in the comments and let me know. I will definitely look forward to reading the comments. And listen, don't keep me a secret. I tell y'all this all the time. Don't you think your friends and family want to know why you're looking so cute? Yeah, they do. So please share me with your world.
Feel the sisterly love. We an aging girl, we seasoned and fine. Like a finished bottle on God's own time. Girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. Two queens in a mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam on